Welcome to Had6 channel. In this video, we will look into council. 6 nouns with similar meanings will be reviewed in example sentences. Let's get started. Number 1. Assembly. Which means a group of people gathered together in one place for a common purpose. Assembly. For example, an assembly of dockers and laborers. Number 2. Chapter. Which means the governing body of a religious community or knightly order. Chapter. For example, the cathedral chapter requested consultation with other sees. Number 3. Panel. Which means a small group of people brought together to investigate or decide on a particular matter. Panel. For example, an interview panel. Number 4. Commission. Which means a group of people entrusted by a government or other official body with authority to do something. Commission. For example, a commission was appointed to investigate allegations of police violence. What do you think of these synonyms? Please share your thoughts in the comment section below. Moreover, you can follow the channel by hitting the subscription button.